Tracking your money daily doesn't have to feel like a draining chore. In fact, it can actually make managing your finances easier and even enjoyable if you know how to approach it. But here's the problem. Most people give up on daily tracking because they find it overwhelming or too time-consuming. So how do you avoid that burnout while still getting the benefits of knowing exactly where your money is going? Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll know how to turn money tracking into a habit that works for you, without it feeling like a burden. First things first, if you've ever tried daily tracking and quickly burned out, it's not your fault. The reason most people give up is because they treat it like a homework assignment. You open your app or sit down with your spreadsheet, and it starts feeling like a job you hate. What if I told you there's a way to make money tracking so easy, you won't even notice it? The key is consistency, but I'm talking about making it part of your natural rhythm. For example, track your expenses at the same time every day, even if it's just for a minute. Don't think of it as a task, but more like checking your messages or scrolling through social media. It's just part of your day. And trust me, over time, it'll start feeling automatic. Let's talk about using tools that don't overwhelm you. The problem most people face when they start tracking money is they try to use complicated apps that promise the world, but end up draining their time and energy. Keep it simple. A great tool doesn't need to be packed with features you'll never use. Choose something lightweight, like a basic budgeting app, or even a simple note on your phone where you jot down daily expenses. The point is to not get bogged down in unnecessary details. Another thing that helps? Build a reward system into your tracking. For example, if you track your spending for a full week, reward yourself with something small, like a treat or a break. Creating that positive association will make tracking feel like a win, not a chore. And the more you link positive feelings with the activity, the more likely you are to stick with it. Now, here's a mistake I see a lot of people make. They try to track everything. You don't need to capture every single purchase. Focus on the big, important ones. If you're tracking every cup of coffee, it's easy to feel like you're losing time. Instead, pick out the categories that matter the most: your rent, utilities, groceries, or any big purchase that really impacts your budget. One last tip: check your progress weekly, not daily. Daily tracking is key, but don't get hung up on it minute by minute. Take a step back once a week to see the bigger picture. Are you staying on budget? Did you hit your savings goals? This will keep you motivated to keep tracking every day, because now you're seeing the results. Without this, daily tracking can start to feel like it's not making a difference, and that's where people drop off. So there you have it. A simple, consistent, and rewarding approach to daily money tracking that doesn't feel like a drag. Stick to these principles, and tracking your spending will actually help you save more, spend smarter, and feel more in control of your finances. If you found value in this video and want to support content that isn't driven by affiliate commissions or hidden incentives, go ahead and subscribe. I'm here to share real, actionable insights without the fluff.